trained myself for this on Bermuda.
I'm in it. I'm hella filthy, so I got this, I'm winning. I'm not a quitter, so I'm not fucking quitting. Just try to stop me and you'll drop dead missing. I'm on my way to the top now, listen.
First
I ain't
blood.
never gonna stop to living. I ain't never getting lost, got vision. I'ma make this shit hot, ignition. Yeah, don't give me facts, not
Double
fiction.
kill.
And you know I'm
Double
fucking
kill.
missing, 'cause I'm on a fucking mission. Man, you got to be driven, 'cause this world is unforgiving. You're the only one that's winning, or the only one that's quitting. So get up and stay committed. Don't be asking for permission. Hit the gas after ignition and start acting like you're winning. Make your own damn decisions. Don't let others make you victims. Have a thought and have a vision. Don't get caught up in the millions. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light it up.
First blood.
Light this shit up.
Double kill.
Yeah, I said I got this, I'm on it. Give me 5 years and I got what I wanted. I'ma go ahead and finish all that I started. I'ma go ahead and get it all started. I can make this place go off like a rocket. I can give a fuck if you hate it or you love it. I don't do this shit 'cause I think that you want it. I just do this shit 'cause I know that I want it. I can give a fuck if I die today. If I'ma go out, it's my fucking way. At least I'll go out with some pride to my name. With the fight that I play, that's my fucking way. Oh, y'all can sit back and think you heard the best of me. I can guarantee that you haven't seen the rest of me. I can guarantee that this shit's gonna be my destiny. And I will never sleep till I make it, then I'll rest in peace. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up. Yeah, I'ma make this shit hot. Oh, I'ma light this shit up.
First blood. Double kill.
I don't even know what else to say. You let that 808 right out though. Yeah.
Tôi cần trang bị. Cảm ơn nha. Tôi cần trang bị.
Play now, ready for the show. I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah, you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great now, putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. I was thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in, I'm on that bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy. No,
First blood.
know I'm so crazy. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy. Yo, and I'm sick of me feeling this way.
Double kill.
I trained myself for this on Bermuda.
Tôi muốn có nó phải không nào?
live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the vision to be the right. Just might find you control of what you want. You'll be fine, just take your time, enjoy the climb, enjoy the grind. You never really know what's on the other side. Give that shit a try, know the minute is
Double kill.
Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo, fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo, work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo, don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it, take it, Jordan, don't just take it, eh. You can make it happen, just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. Always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up. I'm moving forward.
First blood.
Just take it now.
First blood.
Google.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it
Double
hurts so
kill.
bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside once I feel your skin on mine. Though I try, I can't hide all the ways I feel inside. You're everything I want in life.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have.
Got a body and she naughty, never want her off me. Hot like wasabi, hot like some coffee. We drink like a hobby, like to get sloppy. We ain't never stopping.
I just wanna drink with this girl all day. I don't wanna think, I just want to play. Keep me underneath the sheets while we sleep all day. I just wanna feed everything I crave.
I recall the first day that I met you. How could I forget you? No, I don't regret you. Hope I don't upset you. I miss laying in bed too. Your head up on my chest, you were never second best to.
Sipping on some liquor, we remember all the good times. Live a little quicker, thinking bigger, wish we could climb. Look up in the mirror, see it there for our first time. Just a couple sinners, man, I wish I could reverse time.
Yeah, we fake it till we make it, or we break it off and hate it. Getting faded, getting naked every time I feel impatient. Sometimes I can't escape it, I just wanna feel you shaping. Like my dreams, I can't sit back, I have to chase them.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts.